Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, press like, share. Right, I've got over 100 videos on my YouTube channel. So if you want to know anything about pointing, just give them a follow. It's under GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. Right, these ones are on gloves. These are nitrile gloves and these are latex. Right, these are from Tough Glove. The Boa Max, I just use them for washing up, washing my car, you know, brushing up. I always like to wear gloves because I get massive calluses on my hands if I don't, even with the gloves I do. So these ones are Boa Max. I don't use them for pointing. These ones, I've just done a video that I'm about to post soon on, I used these for a day. I used Joint It Simple brushing resin on a patio, but when you brush it in, you've got to push it down, so I push it down with a glove, then I trowel it in. So I used these, it lasted a full day. Fingertips went and it split near the knuckle, but I used them for a full day, so it was pretty good. I could have just used these, but I wanted to try them. So they're pretty tough glove. They're the Gator grips. I've been using these for pointing when I'm trowel pointing in walls. I've nearly finished this box. I've just noticed on one of the videos that they're going to get rid of these Boa latex. These three are from Tough Glove. I've used Bodyguard. These are the GL888 latex. I've been using them for years. I normally double glove them, but I've come to an end, so I was looking for new gloves, so that's why I'm trying these out. But the ones that I like at the moment is because they've got a bit of a part that comes over your wrist and they're longer than all the others, apart from these like a marigold kind of ones. These are just a household large. I don't know if I said. These are uniglove, tect. These are large size 9s. These are size 9s. These cost like £1.50. They vary in price from, I've seen them from £7 to £11. I used to get these for £4.50, but I believe the last time I checked they were about between £10 and £11. They're going out of stock, so it don't really matter how much they are. Normally they do deals on the Gator grips, so you have to just go on the channel and just watch and just get the deals. And the Boa Max is the same, so these are all from the same company. If you want to know anything about pointing, or you've got a question about pointing, it doesn't matter how daft it is, just give me a message. If you're doing a project, WhatsApp me some pictures of your project and I can talk you through it on WhatsApp, just so you're doing it right, and I'll help you. The aim of my YouTube channel is to help you, even if you're doing your own property up. Sorry. If you're doing your own property up, or if you're a builder just starting up and you want to know things, and you've got any questions, I've got a lot of people messaging me at the moment, but please don't message me 6:30 on a Sunday morning. That's my time to chill. So if you've got any questions, just ask me on YouTube or WhatsApp me. Just Google GMT Pointing Specialist Limited, or my YouTube channel is GMT Pointing Specialist Limited with over 100 videos on, so have a look on them. I'm on TikTok as well. I've not got as many videos on them, but I've just got the same as what my YouTube is. So, like I say, please message me if you've got a question. The aim of my channel is to help people. Thank you.